Shit. Gotta start. It's over. Alright, Smash 6. New 3D Mario. Ooh. Wii NSO support. My 3 predictions. My 3 wants. We're gonna get it.
Hello everyone, I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi, and I'll be your guide for today's
Yo.
Nintendo Direct. First, here's a game that's coming to the Nintendo Switch system. Please, take a look at this.
Just Nintendo Switch, not Switch 2.
Hello. Beep. My name is Lowell Miss Reeds, and I'm known for my reading aloud skills and more. Beep. I'm here today to help show you the Rhythm Heaven Groove game. Beep.
What, bro?
Rhythm Heaven Groove. Playing this game is pretty simple. Just get into the groove and press the correct button. That's all there is to it. But it's not always the same rhythm. Listen carefully to the beat. Find your flow, and you'll be able to feel the rhythm. 2, 3, 4, now. 2, 3, now. 2, now. 2, 3, now. Over 80 all-new rhythm games are included. And as you play through the game, you can unlock different modes. For example,
The kingdom's everlasting peace rests on your shoulders. Finally, you're awake.
go forth, magician,
I can't lose.
and use the magical power of rhythm to beat monsters.
What, bro?
Cast a fire spell with BA. BA. And a healing spell with B down A. B down A. Like that.
So you really want to fight, huh?
What spells will strike a chord against the foes you face? Groove on and tip the scales to victory.
It's time for the Who's Got Rhythm quiz show.
Plus, there are even more rhythm games in the lineup. Enjoy all of this while playing solo. And
Dan, Emily, Leo, Sarah. We're under attack. Beep.
up to 4 players can enjoy dedicated rhythm games. Note the timing and block the arrows.
I do think that
Grab the snack at exactly 3
multiplayer
o'clock.
rhythm sounds really funny.
Or aim for 3 o'clock on the dot.
It's like the chaos of like Mario Bros. You're just screaming at each other.
Emily got the snack.
There are over 30
I guess your friends are more funny
cooperative
then,
and competitive games to play.
but still cool.
Get into the groove solo or with friends when Rhythm Heaven Groove hits the Nintendo
Oh, that's kinda
Switch
soon, though.
system July
It's-
2nd. Pre-orders are available now
Yeah,
on
it's a rhythm
Nintendo
game, but it's
eShop.
kind of cool. Yes.
That was Rhythm Heaven Groove for Nintendo Switch. You'll also be able to play it on the Nintendo Switch 2 system. Please wait just a little longer for its release.
Earth has been driven to the brink of annihilation by mysterious life forms called the Naytiba. Now, join Eve on her mission to save humanity and reclaim
Wait, that's
the
kind of
planet.
big, no? Rollerblade like a huge
Engage in
thing.
high-speed combat that focuses on timing. Then
But
find your opening.
now a
and
Nintendo
strike.
console can support it, so
Defeat enemies
Been
to
bigger, I
acquire
guess.
new skills. Then strategically deploy them to fit the situation. Can you save humanity and reclaim Earth for humankind? Stellar Blade launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this year. Blast off in the two-player co-op adventure Orbitals. Protect your home in an expedition across the galaxy. There are many interstellar areas to explore. Melt ice to make a path. Activate devices in time with the beat. Escape from incoming enemies and more. Brave the dangers ahead in your voyage through the stars. Two players can also work together locally or online using GameShare. Work together and overcome the crisis of the cosmos.
everyone really wants that game of the year two-player game that It Takes Two brought to us.
Pre-orders begin later today on Nintendo eShop. Journey through the Glade of Dreams in this bold
No way.
reimagining of Rayman Legends. When a shadowy villain starts spreading
Well, I guess I
corruption,
should have assumed that.
it's up to Rayman and his friends to leap, glide, and punch their way through charming and colorful worlds. Ride dragons across realms. Dive into 4 new musical stages and enjoy more added content. Up to 4 players can go out on a limb in local co-op. You can also play a revamped version of Kung Foot using GameShare locally or online. Rayman Legends Retold launches on Nintendo Switch 2 October 1st.
Exciting.
It's a great day for
What,
a
bro?
big walk. Get lost with friends in this online co-op walking and talking adventure. Set off through a peaceful world, brimming with challenges, puzzles, and lots of things to discover. Enjoy the sights and sounds as you work together to find your way around. Use all sorts of tools to stay in touch. And figure out new methods of communicating if you're in a pickle. They might even be a little unconventional.
Wait,
If you're not
that's
quite up to
that sounds
adventure,
really
you
funny.
can always just relax with your pals. Enjoy the sunset, dance the night away, or steal something from a friend and kick it into the ocean.
The hell?
You know.
Wait,
the
that's
usual stuff.
that's actually
You
pretty
can
funny.
also use mouse controls or hang out with friends using cross-platform play. After all, spending quality time together is the best part of a big walk. Strolling onto Nintendo Switch 2, August 4th.
Isn't this Pocopia? When is that supposed to come out? I don't even remember. Or didn't it?
Keep adventuring in Pokemon Pokopia, even beneath the sea. Explore the world on the ocean floor with a free update.
Oh,
By using
Wow.
the new move Dive, you can enjoy life with Pokemon living under the sea.
it literally is Animal Crossing. This is like the first update for New Horizons.
Build structures.
But you
and
can build
expand your
underwater. That's
towns
cool,
underwater.
actually.
This free update is scheduled
Oh.
to release in August 2026. And there's more.
Oh, wow.
The Pokemon Pokopia Expansion Pass
Eh,
paid DLC
Here's the
is
cool
on
free
the
thing.
way.
But also,
Discover a
if you
brand
want
new
to give us
town,
more money,
Holy Basin.
we're totally
There
cool
you'll
with that.
Find new furniture, new outfits, and new friends. The Pokemon Pokopia Expansion Pass paid DLC will be available later today
Wow.
on Nintendo eShop.
Wait, so the free one doesn't come out until
Part one
August.
Paid DLC, Bubbly Basin, launches this August. Part 2 and Part 3 will launch at a later date.
Wow.
Look out for more details in the future.
Hmm.
We hope you're looking forward to more content for Pokemon Pokopia via a free update and paid DLC. Next, please take a look at this.
This is the Dagden Empire, a prosperous land ruled by the gods. The capital, Daxian, plays host to the Heroic Games, the winner of which is granted one wish. Powerful fighters from across the land have gathered to participate.
Oh wow. Okay, that was part of the predictions. Holy
The
shit.
story revolves around 4 heroes.
I know nothing about Fire Emblem, so maybe this was like announced earlier and I'm just lost, but
Dietrich, a swordsman, ever on the hunt
sitting back
for
in my chair now
stronger
for a
foe.
second. A little nervous about what's gonna happen next.
Seeking to fulfill the long-held dream of her homeland. And Lida, a musician with her sights set on revenge. Guide whichever character you choose to victory as they weave their own unique tale.
Passed to me, Blade.
Between matches, you can strengthen your forces in different ways. Hone your techniques at the training grounds.
I'm figuring it out.
Recruit new allies. Or travel beyond Daxian's walls to gain experience. How you spend your free time is up to you. Combat takes the form of turn-based tactical battles. Consider your weapon's range and your unit's strengths on the battlefield. Plus, each of the 4 main characters comes with their own special techniques. By using these techniques to the fullest, you might turn the tide of battle.
Rejoice with me at the advent of the underworld.
You look upon the Promised One, who will route you here and guide the living to salvation. How did it feel to upheave the world? Begone from us, the darkest dark.
Fire Emblem Fortune's Weave launches September 17th. Alongside the standard edition, there will be a special edition, the Fire Emblem Fortune's Weave Dagden Collection, that launches the same day. Please look forward to it.
The DK Challenge barrels in. Coming to Nintendo Switch Online on Nintendo Switch 2, the limited time DK Challenge event.
Limited time? Oh my god.
Take on challenges across many Donkey Kong games available with Nintendo Classics. By completing them, you can earn and enjoy collectible digital challenge cards. And if
Oh my
you
god,
have
they made
Donkey Kong
achievements for
Bonanza,
Nick and
you
Mason.
can attempt even more challenges.
Jesus Christ.
Try out ones geared for beginners. Or take on developer challenges for something with a bit more punch. Rediscover Donkey Kong games, play challenges, and complete your card collection. DK Challenge can be accessed via the Nintendo Switch Online app on the home menu of your Nintendo Switch 2. You'll be able to barrel through these limited time challenges starting later today. Plus, in the Donkey Kong Bonanza, DK Island and Emerald Rush paid DLC, a limited time collaboration with Super Mario Bros. Is breaking through.
What, bro?
Enjoy outfits for DK and
Wait.
Pauline, inspired by Mario and Luigi.
What?
Plus,
That's
there are coins,
really cool, actually.
super mushrooms, question blocks, and more. Experience Emerald Rush as you've never seen it before with a Super Mario Brothers twist.
It is cool, but it's kind of
This
also like
limited time
fire
collaboration
mode.
event will be held in 4 waves with the first wave beginning later today.
cool. That is cool. I'll give them.
From the creators of Vampire Survivors, the latest game from the makers of Vampire Survivors, Jujutsu Kaisen Rumble Survivathon casts a spell onto Nintendo Switch 2. Up to 8 players can compete online for the top
Nintendo is
spot in the
fumbling right now.
Survivors Royale. At the start
what,
of the
bro?
match, players
Copia.
don't battle
Speak,
directly.
stop.
Instead, take down enemies on your own map to
Fucking
earn points.
slopped right now.
Each time you earn 100 points, you can add a rule to your run, including ones that hinder other players.
All right.
The match culminates in a head-to-head
I have to have
final
some
battle
games that are
between
mid.
the top 2 players.
Wait, those are the
Who will
guys
be
from
the
Fortnite.
Final survivor. More than 20 characters from the Jujutsu Kaisen series appear. Characters can be unlocked just by
I get
playing.
burned alive.
Battle
for
online
calling
with players near and far.
Jujutsu
Kaisen
characters.
Kaisen, oh my god.
Exorcise curses, dominate rivals, and rise to the top. Jujutsu Kaisen Rumble Survivathon launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this year.
Okay, like a cough drop that numbs my mouth.
Are you up for the
Feels great right
challenge
now.
in these games?
Oh, so you just love sucking on things, is what I'm hearing.
Oh, brother.
Nintendo Switch 2. In a forsaken world, a looming darkness.
Also, why are they
devours
just
all in its path.
it
Lord to
feels
the
like
Fallen.
it's like a lot of games that
Endures.
got announced. They're like, oh, by the way, they're gonna be on Switch, even though they specifically said they weren't going to be on Switch.
Devastating sorceries,
It's not true.
and lethal ranged
Well, no, I just mean like
attacks.
said,
Test your mettle
you know,
against towering
this game's coming to
abominations
PlayStation,
on your
Xbox,
journey
PC,
across the
Steam,
realms
whatever.
of the living and the dead.
And then now Nintendo gets to be like, also us.
For a god to fall. Lords of the Fallen 2 launches on Nintendo Switch 2 this fall. Enter a
I told the
darkly
viewers I
elegant
want
world based on the story
Lies of
of
P?
Pinocchio
Oh my
and
god!
Lies of P.
Is this the Pinocchio game?
Yes, it
You
is.
must fight rampaging mechanical
Dude, I like
monsters
this game so
and
much, but I couldn't finish it because I'm too
while
shit.
confronting your
Maybe
own
you can finish it on Switch lobbies.
Take on enemies using customizable weapons
It's a Dark
and
Souls game.
prosthetic arms that allow you to swap
Is it?
between different abilities.
Yeah.
But
And it's so
know
much
this,
better than Dark Souls.
the lies you tell
Huh.
will alter your fate.
And there's a co-op mod. We got that. Beat it
Lies
with
of
you.
P, complete edition,
But
which
no, not
includes
beat. If I
Overture,
beat it, I beat it
a
on
full
my own.
expansion to the main
All right,
game,
then you beat it on your
launches
own, and we'll
Nintendo
co-op
Switch
it.
2 system
How about that?
August 6th. Pre-orders begin later today
yeah.
on Nintendo eShop.
All right, bro.
The most recent entry in the legendary Devil May Cry series
Yeah, it's actually
is
pretty
slashing
cool,
its
but-
way onto Nintendo Switch 2.
But no one's gonna buy it for
Players Nero,
Switch.
Dante, V,
I'll tell you another
Virgil,
cool game that's
each armed
no one
with
cares
different
about
battle
because they already own it.
styles as you fight off hordes of demons
I do feel like that's kind of the
that
problem with
boss
Switch, though. Is like it's always
Pull off
behind, you know.
stylish attacks, dodges, and combos with your vast arsenal of weapons and skills. Enjoy thrilling, high-octane combat at
Like, yeah,
60
you
frames
can
per
play,
second in both
uh,
TV mode and
Stellar
handheld
Blade on
mode.
Switch, but
Plus, additional content such as
why would
battle
you?
tracks,
No.
character colors, and Devil Breaker
This is
weapons
literally
are
for
included.
ultra casuals who
Devil May
literally
Cry
only buy
5
Nintendo
Devil
consoles.
Hunter Edition launches
So
on
like me
Nintendo
before I was
Switch 2,
awakened.
June 23rd.
Yeah, but you know how many
Pre-orders
people
begin
are
later
like
today
you?
on Nintendo
There's
eShop.
so few people that exist now where they just buy Nintendo consoles.
Yeah.
6 souls determined to forge their own destinies.
So you're looking for some runaway ninja named Kisuke.
They still have
I guess it's
some
more for like
unfinished business
kids
in this world.
who like only have Nintendo
Yeah,
consoles
I'd
now.
let my kid play Devil May Cry 5.
No, I just mean like
You've sentenced me to
it's
die
for like
7 years
parents
from now.
of kids, I guess. It's like, oh, I bought this Nintendo console for my kid, but like
An action
don't have money for anything
for
else.
the ages
So here's the game that you
awaits those.
saw your coworker with a $2,000 PC said it was cool.
Muramasa, Revenant Blades.
I did like how they announced that there was a free
Nintendo Switch 2
update
editions of these
for,
3 Xenoblade
oh wow,
Chronicles games
all 3
are
Xenoblade
incoming.
games.
All three games run at 60 frames
there's a
per
free
second,
software update for
4K
Acopia,
resolution in TV mode, or
but the
full
paid
HD
DLC you can pay
handheld
for
mode.
today. Don't worry. That was really
In-game
funny how they
cutscenes
announced it like
also
that.
have enhanced resolution and frame rate.
You know, with the amount of DLC they've been dropping for
Not
Pokemon
only
games,
that-
I'd hope they put a little more budget into the new one.
Yeah. Wait, Whooper.
You can travel on a high-speed vehicle in the first game. Control blades to fight mercenary squad
Let's
battles in the
go!
second. And put your strength to the test against waves of
Quality of
enemies
life
in the
features.
third.
I will say Xenoblade looks like fun, but then I watch gameplay and I'm like, that doesn't look like fun, you know?
More details will be revealed at a later date. The digital version of Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition, Nintendo Switch 2 Edition, and the Upgrade Pack will be available later today. The physical version launches on July 30th.
Maybe
Oh,
a
so
buy.
many words.
Nintendo Switch 2 editions of
Definitive
Xenoblade
Edition,
Chronicles
Nintendo Switch 2 Edition,
Xenoblade
digital
Chronicles
version
3.
upgrade pack. Like, oh my!
It's like, oh my god, Nintendo.
Getting Nintendo Switch 2 editions.
Why can't we just say Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition for Switch 2?
And
Or just
a new
Xenoblade
story in the
Chronicles
Xenoblade series is about to begin.
for Switch 2.
Here are some early moments from the game.
Wait, is this announcing Xenoblade 4? Was I not listening?
Oh, I just forgot to find out.
アニマは世界の源であった水も
Boop.
火も風も世界を構成するそのすべては大地を流れるアニマが形を変えたものだったそして戦いを決するのはいつもアニマとその力を自在に振るう騎士だった
この剣の名に恥じぬよう精進します。ここがリューコス。
その石はアニマ小石。騎士の力を増幅させるだけでなく、そのものの行動や思いも刻みます。これからのあなたの学院生活のすべてがその石と共にあると思ってください。
今日の訓練は実戦を想定してのものだ。
力の使い方、なんとなく分かった気がする。
騎士って人殺しの職業で奪われた側はどう思うんだろうな。
真実見つけてみない？
How do you think other countries feel about us, bro?
ドラゴンの炎で浄化すること。
Terrible.
Well-
I don't blame them.
Well, no, not just that, but like the fact that they have to always provide English captions because Americans are like their biggest demographic, like, and Americans are too lazy to learn other languages, myself included.
Okay, well that's not our problem. If they want to sell it to a billion people who speak a certain language, then they gotta make the game have that language. Like,
Yeah, I guess.
it's not like we're some small minority. We're literally probably 25% at least of the earth speaks English as their primary language.
Let's do a little Nick fact check.
破れた神の恨みがまだ晴らされてはいないこと。
Xenoblade Genesis? So yes, Xenoblade 4. Or is this a prequel?
Well, it's not 4, so the leak's wrong.
Xenoblade Genesis marks a new beginning.
There's no 4 there.
What do you think will be told? Please look forward to future updates.
Only 5 to 6% of the world's population speaks English as their first language.
Welcome to
Third behind
Woo
Mandarin, Chinese, and
home to
Spanish.
All kinds of sports. Coming to Nintendo Switch 2, Nintendo Switch Sports Resort. The latest
Wii
game
Sports
in
Island?
Use the Joy-Con 2 controllers as rackets.
Stop. Wait, actual peak incoming.
Or even handles.
Oh my god, you can jet ski.
There are 12 sports to choose from.
12?
All with intuitive motion controls. Let's go over them. Punch.
Oh, I
block,
would love to
counter,
beat the
and
shit out of my
outmaneuver
friends in
for the
boxing.
knockout in boxing.
Think you could take me, Nick, or
they're
what?
They're too realistic.
To
I
keep your
want
opponent on
the
their
old
toes.
knees back.
I do too. Those guys are funny.
Aim for the center of the target and let that arrow fly. In archery.
They had
Enjoy
personality.
rallies with different types of
Yeah.
shots in
This is
tennis.
slop.
Where's bowling?
Set.
Ooh, volleyball's
and
kind of cool.
spike in volleyball.
That's just like
Hey,
tennis.
bowling!
Bit of spin to
Uh,
strike big.
Hey.
Wait, you know what? This might be worth.
Dribble.
Yeah, not worth $70 though.
Shoot to score
It's
in
probably gonna be like 40.
basketball.
Basketball's kind of cool.
Adjust your shots
And we
forward,
get
then
Wii Golf
swing
again?
your club in golf.
Yeah, fuck that.
Wait, show me fishing.
Battle with
Thumb
one
wrestling?
Hand your opponent a defeat in
Okay, that's kind of funny.
One.
That's funny as shit.
Glide through the course
Ooh.
using mouse controls in
That's some
skateboarding.
Bullshit.
Skateboarding looks
Steer
cool.
with handles and coast along the waves in power cruising. Tilt the controller and fly around freely in prop.
Alright, now we're just doing too much. Prop plane.
Plus, you can warm up
Alright,
these
jump rope
sports
is
with
actually
Free.
ridiculous. No way they're counting
People
jump rope
play
as a
and
sport.
play as a
Stop.
sportsmate. Or me character.
I mean, I guess that same argument can be made for thumb wrestling, yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy playing all kinds of sports on Nintendo Switch 2.
Yo, Granny, she just got cooked.
Nintendo Switch Sports Resort launches exclusively on the Nintendo Switch 2 system October 22nd. Pre-orders begin later today.
Oh, I gotta
on
check.
Nintendo
I gotta check
eShop.
that pre-order. I gotta know how much.
Nintendo Switch Sports Resort is coming to Nintendo Switch 2.
Should have been a launch title.
We showed all the sports
True.
included, but since we have the opportunity, let's try one of the new sports. Thumb wrestling.
Oh my god, no way they're gonna show us this right now.
Before the match.
Oh my god, what if Wii Sports Resort is the 90 minutes of gameplay in Treehouse? I don't know what I'll do.
If yours gets pinned, just shake the controller to break free.
Wow.
And if you keep your thumb held down, it'll get bigger and stronger.
What the hell?
Ew.
You'll need this to claim victory.
Oh my god.
Here's to a great thumb wrestling
You
match.
can do Mies,
The thumb
but he has like a
Oh.
coat.
just like this. Here we go.
I like it better when they had that basic colors shirt.
Oh, got him right away. Oh, they broke free. All right. Let's try this. Oh, we bumped thumbs. Oh, go, go, go. Hold it. Oh, they broke free
Wow.
again. You have to keep them pinned. No, wait, wait, wait.
That is way too forgiving on the timer.
I was worried for a second there.
It is a kid's game.
Stop.
Thumb started to sparkle, and the nail got bigger. Ah, hold on a second. That's not how it's supposed to go. It's okay. Everything is
Oh,
fine.
I'm jerking it.
Ooh, it's sparkling again. Now let's try. Oh, I got deflected. Ah, wait a minute. Ah,
Damn, wow, he got stomped. Holy shit.
please wait a little longer.
No way, that's
Let's move on to more headlines.
Let's move on from my crushing defeat. Wait, that's funny as shit.
Survive a land
You know, if I was that guy, I would have let them put that on there.
No, there's no way. I would have said,
Inquisition.
I literally would have said run it back.
Ancient power has
Oh,
awakened
RuneScape.
on the forgotten continent of Ashenfall. Explore a land infused with magic and uncover lost secrets on your journey to face the Dragon Queen. In this survival crafting adventure, delve into the mysteries of Ashenfall, amongst the ruins of fallen civilizations. On your expedition, harness the land's transformative magic to gather resources, craft gear, and build shelter. Then, Step into battle, forge weapons, sharpen your skills, and face the danger that awaits. Survive the wilds, unveil lost secrets, and challenge dragons in RuneScape Dragon Wilds, launching on Nintendo Switch 2 September 15th.
Wow, another game launching in
Get on
September.
board for these games. Customize your own avatar.
Oh my god, Hello Kitty Island Adventure.
Adorable world of Hello
Holy
Kitty
shit! Waiting for.
It's Partyland, God, man.
Character-themed mini games and several board games. There are over 140 Sanrio characters to meet.
You know, Mason keeps saying in Discord, like, this is mid. Like, maybe they don't have anything sauce.
And so much more.
And I'm kind of afraid
There's
he's
no
right.
way.
But,
There's
like,
no way they fumble, bro. They gotta have at least one announcement.
no, I know, but, like, right now, if they drop Smash 6 at the end of this, would it really make it the best direct of all time?
No.
Now we're gonna talk about Star Fox. Like, what, bro?
Blast off for adventure across
I'm
the
sorry, but if you're
Lilac
excited for this
system
game, I'm
with
happy
Fox
for you, but
McCloud and his crew.
I'm not at all. Not even a little bit.
It'd probably be more exciting if it wasn't a remaster of a game that's already been remastered 2 times.
Star Fox
Sure.
launches on Nintendo Switch 2, June 25th. A free demo that includes a tutorial and
Oh, yeah, this is 100% the Treehouse thing. The demos today. Yeah.
On Nintendo eShop. Hope resonates within the crystals.
Oh my god, they got like 13 minutes left to change this shit up. I need NSO Wii dropping today. I need a 3D Mario game, and I need Smash 6. Actually, I just need 3D Mario game or Smash 6. I don't need both. I'm not greedy.
Get ready for the first Final Fantasy
I want
HD 2D
something Zelda
Final
related.
Fantasy Resonance.
Final Fantasy. The problem
Hey,
is,
Final Fantasy,
A
yes!
vast world that is prospered through the power
Bro.
of crystals. But after the invasion
Aren't you so
of
excited, Nick?
Protoss, this once thriving world lies on the brink of annihilation. Now reign, a night of
I kind of like how the overworld
Final
looks.
Fantasy is like
Across the
the
realm
most,
with his
it's like the
companions,
largest gaming
stop the
enigma for me of
Veritas.
all time. I've literally never heard anybody talk about this game, yet they always make a new one, and everybody has it in their top 3 games of all time, and I don't get it.
You gotta play one, bro. Stop.
Can you uncover the truth behind the
I guess so.
and the
I know, I'll play
secrets
7.
crystals hold?
Oh wait,
Which one, bro?
Final Fantasy
Which
Resonance
version of
Oh,
7?
on the Nintendo Switch 2
oh no,
and
no,
Nintendo Switch systems
the
on
first one,
October
because
22nd.
it's a trilogy.
A
Oh, right.
weird, whimsical world is waiting.
How they managed to split a 25-year-old game into 3 200-hour experiences, I will never understand.
Each of those of the trilogy are 200-hour long. Each of them?
For like 100%, yeah.
Damn.
But even the main story is like 40 hours.
Each with their own problems and puzzles
So-
to solve.
I mean, I have the first part of the trilogy
Beneath this
for
seemingly
PS5.
happy world lies a sinister
I'm sorry for
plot
your
to
loss.
squeeze
Yeah, I
the
just haven't
locals
played it
from
yet.
all their work.
It was on
Time
sale
to
for like 30
join the
bucks.
resistance by using
30? I
Kiku's
wanted to
surprising
pay more than
help solve
8
the
for
people's
it.
problems in
That's crazy.
surprising and downright oddball ways. Feeling baffled by these affable
Like,
denizens?
what is that? What are we putting on my screen right now? Can we stop?
And bring about an
Can you show
Yeah,
me
like,
it was Wii
fucking-
NSO so I can be
There's
happy?
2 polygons on my screen. Like, what are we doing?
Discover the secrets of this vivid, colorful world.
Ooh, check out those sunflowers though. They got 4 polygons.
Solve and gossip in Piku Niku 2, launching on Nintendo Switch 2 next year.
All right, they got 10 minutes left. Come on, drop something crazy.
Prepare for
Zelda movie.
an all-new
What am I looking at?
Dragon Quest or some bullshit.
It is, isn't it? This looks like Pokemon Snap,
So,
but for Dragon Quest.
Dragon Quest Monsters: The Withered World.
About time you got here.
how are they picking another one? Weren't they remastering the first one?
They are remastering the first ones.
What's going on here? Is this Duskbloods?
Is it?
Is it? Please, something like remotely interesting?
It looks like it might be.
Yeah! Yay, Duskbloods! Yay, Duskbloods!
Elden Ring slop enjoyer. No, I'm kidding. Elden Ring's beak. Just joking.
No, this is slop. It's like PvPv enemy.
You're finally here. Worthy spirit.
Release date, hopefully, because it's supposed to come out this year.
No, you, Nick. Sorry.
Are we serious?
Oh, close network test. Let's go.
Not even a date for that. Are we? Oh my god, wait, this is the worst direct of all time.
No, stop. How is that?
Treasure hunting game.
Oh my god, I'm ready to turn this shit off and there's 8 minutes left. Please. Please show me any Splatoon Raiders. No one cares about Splatoon.
So to recap, do not underestimate the Salmonids. Yikes, this is tougher than it looks.
From this off, there's still like 3 games I want you guys to announce. Shit. Hurry up.
Coping hard right now, but they just said around 50 minutes, so it could be a little longer than.
Drew, you're so right.
We're coping. Oh my god.
Wait, there actually is 10 minutes left. Stop.
Mask on, huffing that cope.
No way. They just spent 5 minutes talking about that, and there's gonna be an entire direct at the end of the month. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Colors for Mason. I bet he's so happy right now.
Let's see some more headlines.
They have more headlines. Okay. This isn't final announcement. Oh my god, they're actually doing Deltarune.
Hey.
Oh my god.
A little sad that that's gonna be the best part. Is it 4 and 5 or is it a port? Because I'll come.
I think it's 4 and 5. It's not the port, I don't think. They already announced the port. Well, yeah, chapters 1 through 4 are already on Switch, too. Yeah, chapter 5 is waiting. Today? June 24th. That's actually really... And it's free!
Yeah, all of them are free. You just have to pay for the game.
Well, at least I think one of us will be happy, because, you know, they always save something crazy for the end.
Yeah, you know who's gonna be happy? Caleb, but he's not even watching it.
No, I mean like that final announcement, it has to be something with either like the Ocarina of Time remake, and then if they do that, they'll also announce the Switch special. Okay, well they'll do that, or they'll do 3D Mario, or they'll do Smash. Who cares about Minecraft?
A dedicated Nintendo Switch 2 version of Minecraft is on the way.
Oh my god.
Dig into your Minecraft adventure on Nintendo Switch 2.
Can you not just play Minecraft?
For vibrant visuals. And embark on a journey across a world with enhanced lighting and
shaders.
shadow effects.
Stop.
Plus, Nintendo Switch worlds can be carried over, so you can pick up right where
Well, I wonder when
you
we're
left
doing
off.
a Minecraft world.
What will you create next?
I know a bit.
Minecraft launches on Nintendo Switch 2
Sometime this year. Thank you.
Holy can we get a sound release date for anything?
No.
You know what it is? Nobody wants to confirm anything because they don't want to have to delay it to November and then get fucked. Oh my god, I hate GTA.
You're right. Wait, the only game that's gonna release in November is gonna be GTA, huh?
Yes.
And they're gonna delay it. It's gonna be like October 24th. Calling it now, and they're gonna be like, we actually need another year to release GTA 6. We're sorry to make you wait, but I'm sure
so
you guys will be
serious.
so happy.
I genuinely, if I could, I'd video and then delete the final version of the game.
Hey, you know what? That's a good idea.
The battle of light and
No
darkness
way.
approaches.
Bro. I love Kingdom Hearts, but like, come on.
Memorable adventures.
Hooray.
It's already on Switch.
Are coming to Nintendo Switch 2.
Oh, because they're not on Switch. That's so lame. Like, these games are already on Switch. Just port them. Stop. Why do we have to have a direct where it's like, here's every game that's on Nintendo Switch, and now they're on Switch too? That's actually kind of lame.
As they fight the darkness. If you have the cloud versions on
God, I wish the Switch 2 flopped like the Wii U.
A bundle with all 3 compilations. Kingdom Hearts Collection 1 through 3 also launches October 8th. Additionally, a free
At least they're all
demo of
bundled
Kingdom
together.
Hearts 3 plus Remind will be available later today on Nintendo eShop.
Switch NSO. No. What is this? Stop. Don't. Oh my god. Oh my god, are they about to announce Kingdom Hearts 4 on the Switch Direct? Oh my god, they're announcing Kingdom Hearts 4 on the Nintendo Switch Direct. I mean, it's been announced, but if they give us a release date for this and nothing else, stop. Stop. Are you kidding me right now?
Hooray. That's the final announcement.
Stop. No, it's not. They didn't say final announcement. No way.
Who even are these people? These
Stop.
are nobodies.
Stop. Hold on. Wait.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Stop. Be quiet. Oh my god. If they give us a release date for Kingdom Hearts 4 through Nintendo Switch, I don't even know what I'm going to do. 2028 is what they're going to say. I'm going to be pissed. Already waited so long. I don't even remember when the original announcement for this game was. Oh my god. Don't do it to me. Sakurai, I swear to god. Bro! Are you serious? Are you serious?
How was that?
That's all I get? I'm pissed.
Is our last announcement.
I'm pissed.
Please
Available at launch. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys. Give me 3D Mario. Or Smash. It's not Mario. It's Zelda. It's Zelda. Like, oh my god.
Created by beings of supreme divinity. At the very edge of this
Which one is it, Nick?
there lay a small forest.
Ocarina of Time.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, it is. Great.
Quietly watched over the inhabitants of the forest.
Oh my god, bro.
These forest dwellers were called the Kokiri. Each had a fairy companion, and they lived out their innocent lives in these woods. However, there was one particular boy who did not have a fairy.
Oh my god.
Does it look peak, Nick? What do you think? Watch, it's gonna be Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time plus Link's retelling or some shit like that. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Give us a sound release date. F you. At least it's this year.